Welcome to our video tutorial on how to use a fabric laser cutting machine for efficient cutting in sewing factories. In this video, we'll show you how to cut fabric using a laser cutting machine and how this process can help your sewing factory increase efficiency and productivity. Fabric laser cutting machines are a more efficient cutting method for sewing factories. Laser cutting reduces the risk of errors and increases productivity. Using a laser cutting machine can lead to cost savings and higher quality cuts. If you are sewing factory looking to improve your cutting process, consider using a fabric laser cutting machine. Contact us to learn more about our machines and how they can benefit your factory.